In this experiment, we will study the PN injection characteristics, forward and reverse bias. In this case, we will study the VI characteristics of OA79 diode, that is germanium based diode. For this diode, we will study the VI characteristics. This will be the voltmeter used for VI characteristics, right? Its least count is 0.025 volt. Means minimum reading taken by this voltmeter is this one. Now this is a millimeter that we'll be using for these VI characteristics. The minimum reading used for this millimeter is a least count, that is 0.2 mm. Similarly, the OA79 P injection, this is the shape of that. This will be used for studying the characteristics. This will be the power supply used for forward and reverse bias. This is circuit diagram. You can see here where the voltmeter is attached across this P injection. Across P injection. This millimeter is series, and this is forward bias, because this P terminal of this P injection is attached to the plus of the power supply, and this negative terminal is attached to the negative supply. Means this is forward bias. This will be the circuit diagram used. This is the complete circuit diagram. This is the outline. Means this is power supply here. Again, this you can see this is voltmeter that is across the P injection. This is millimeter series, and this is power supply which is for the forward bias. And same circuit is here, right? Again, this is if you want to see what is the meaning of forward bias, mean this P terminal is attached to the power supply plus terminal, and this negative terminal is attached to negative supply. That is forward bias. Okay. This is a millimeter. How the millimeter is attached, that is series, and this is a voltmeter. You can see across this P injection. This is voltmeter that is across the P injection. In this way, the circuit diagram is there, and we will again the circuit. This is a video, small video. You can see here. You can see here and here the voltage and current we will try to measure, and we will note down, and then the graph will be drawn for studying the VI characteristics. This is the table for the VI characteristics. This is the voltage, that is current. This is voltage and current, and graph is drawn between voltage and current. You can see it is almost straight line. It is in this way the voltage and current will vary for the particular type of diode, right? Similarly, for reverse bias, you can see here reverse bias. P of this is connected to negative, that is reverse bias, and this Ni is connected to positive, that is reverse bias. This is series. This voltmeter again attached to the across the diode, and this negative and positive is simply so that otherwise it will go in reverse direction, right? That's why polarity is there. Otherwise, for DC, polarity doesn't matter. In which we are only attaching this voltmeter across. If you draw circuit diagram for the reverse, same circuit diagram is here, and according to this circuit diagram we have attached here, that is a reverse bias. This is a millimeter in series, and this is voltmeter across this P injection. Similarly, this is a reverse bias. You can see here P is attached to negative, that is reverse bias. So again, small video is there You can see here, by applying the voltage, current is varying. So we have noted down the voltage and corresponding current also. You can see here. The next, this table is there, which is for the this reverse bias. That is this is voltage, this is current. Again, if you draw the this graph between the voltage and current, right? You can see here it is almost this is straight line, at least straight line. In this way, we can study the VI characteristics of a P-N junction. Thank you.